A new class of ambient AI weaves sensing, learning, and acting into the fabric of daily life, quietly guiding decisions in homes and cities. It promises energy savings, safer streets, and smarter services, while raising questions about data ownership and consent. Experts foresee tighter integration with IoT, multimodal sensing, and adaptive privacy controls that minimize intrusion. Yet challenges include standardization, security risks, and ensuring equitable access across communities. If guided responsibly, ambient AI could redefine convenience, safety, and sustainability for tomorrow's industries and everyday life.